like it. I really do. The model's really nice.
Yeah, it's got brand new tires on the.
I'm interested in financing it. How would that work out?
I spoke to my bank earlier before you got here. They said you have to put about 20 grand down, and with the
What would be the interest
2%
rate?
interest rate.
Damn, that's not bad.
Yeah, economy's doing really good. Really bad right now. They need money. So
Yeah, I bought a car not too long, like a couple years back, and the interest rate was extremely high.
really.
Yeah, that's dope. That's nice. I'll consider it. Yeah, hello. Yeah, I was calling to so I want to purchase a boat, and I was calling to get some financial advice over it. It's gonna cost 20 grand to put as down payment, and the interest rate is gonna come out to 2%. Is that any good? Okay, so you're telling me that the interest rate of 2% is really good, that I should do it? Oh, so it's good because the economy has slowed down. Okay. So you're telling me that the Federal Reserve is trying to put out more money into the economy so people can, more spending, so that is good. Oh, okay, that's why they're lowering the interest rate. That makes sense. Okay. So, okay. Yeah, definitely. Yeah, I will do it. Okay, thank you. Bye. Alright, well, I talked to my bank right now, and they said it was a really good idea, so I'm gonna go through with it. I'll purchase the boat, and I'll give you 20 grand right now.
Alright, sounds good.
Thank you for your deal.
You're welcome.
I appreciate it.
Appreciate the business.
Woo! This is bad ass. I should have said that.
2,000 years later.
Well, I've had a lot of good memories with this bad boy, but it's time for a change. I'm gonna have to put you in the market. So, what'd you think of it?
It's a nice boat. It's well taken care of. I like it.
Yeah, I've tried. So, here's how it's gonna go down. My price for this boat is gonna be 60 grand.
All right. Well, I was thinking about financing it. What kind of deal could you give me for that?
For financing it, I would ask for 50% down payment, so 30 grand, and the interest rate would be 10%.
Yeah, the interest rates are pretty high right now. The economy is moving pretty fast, so the bank is trying to slow it down by increasing interest rates on new purchases.
Yeah, I know, which is why I'm trying to get rid of it.
All right. Well, let me speak to my bank and see how we can work out a lower interest rate by any chance.
Perfect, just let me know.
Okay. Thank you.
Sure.
2,000 years later.
Hey, so I heard the economy is doing a lot better nowadays, so I wanted to see if I could get a reevaluation for my interest rate on the boat that I bought a couple of years ago.
Yeah, for sure. It is doing really good, so I can lower it down maybe 4%.
Okay, and how fast could we get that paperwork going?
Give me about an hour.
Okay, I'll be right back in an hour then.
Alright, see you soon.
Hi, I'm Brandon Montoya. I'm salesman number 1.
Hello, I'm Marco Montoya. I am buyer number 1 and salesman number 2.
Hi, I'm Carlos Rivera, and I'm buyer number 2.